How to enable two steps verification on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app on your Android. Now you have to open the app. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. Click on the profile and this type of screen appear. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on the settings and the privacy here, and by clicking on the security. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. By clicking on two-step verification, by turning it on in this way, you can enable two-step verification. It means you have to add your email as well as phone number on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.